friends are celebrating birthday on a ship. Yay, let's have fun. It's your birthday. Let's have cold drinks and chip. Where should we throw the garbage? We'll throw in the sea. We will not dirty our land. Throw everything in the sea. It's so fun in throwing in it. Yay, we are having fun. A group of 3 friends, 2 mermaids and 1 jellyfish, were roaming inside the sea, and then they suddenly noticed the bottles. They were totally puzzled to see them at first. Look at those bottles with colored drinks.
I think we shouldn't try it. It can harm us.
You both are cowards. I will drink it first. Glup, glup, glup. The mermaid drinks it. See? Nothing happens. Mermaid?
Hey mermaid, are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I think we should take it to her to mom. Okay, come with us. I think humans are recalling her. Hey, what happened to my baby mermaid? She's hiccuping.
Yeah, she tasted a bottle from the sea debris and since then she is hiccuping.
Let's take her to Dr. Shark. Dr. Shark was a famous doctor. Such was his terror, half of his patients' illness were cured just by seeing his long teeth. Wow, mermaid, you look so delicious. Shut up, you children. Don't laugh. Her hiccups are not stopping. What should we do? Please treat her.
Don't worry, let me examine her. She looks terrible. I guess she had some bad drink. Did you guys give her some petrol-like drink?
This doctor has gone mad. How can I drink petrol? I am unable to find what made her sick. I can't cure her. Everyone became sad. Let's take her to Dolphin. She must have some answer to it, and she is human's friend. My kid has so many hiccups. Can you please cure it? Oh, I see. This mermaid must have taken some man-made things from debris. We all never go there. The debris is growing like a mountain day by day. It's making a hell like for all of the water animals and plants. But I know a human being. He's my friend near seashore. Let's go there and he will have some cure for her. Hey Dr. Binox, look what happened to this mermaid. Just non-stop. Oh, I'm sorry to know that. I will give her a medicine and she will be fine after some time. Thank you, Dr. Binox. And I want to apologize to all of the aquatic world over there, as we human beings decided to throw waste garbage in the sea without realizing that it could harm your world. Let's pledge to take our earth world surrounding neat and clean and pollution free. Thank you, doctor. Bye, doctor. Take care, doctor. Love you, doctor. Oh, yay! I'm free from hiccups.